Pan Connectors. WC pan connectors replace the traditional jointing method which used to cause problems with sealing and cracking, which would eventually lead to leakages. Ashirvad WC Pan Connector is a revolutionary product manufactured using EVA, ensuring it remains flexible past the point of installation and are ideal for tolerating movement and WC load-bearing pressures. The fins on pan connectors have been designed to be multi-depth to give tolerance on connection to the pipe. Features of Ashirvad WC pan connectors: molded in high-grade engineered plastic with simple push-fit assembly, flexible and self-adjusting for slight movement, enables proper installation to provide air and watertight joints. Benefits: offset pan connectors are the best solution to fix WC in case of finished floor level rise. Connects easily with different pipe materials.
Ashirvad is the only manufacturer of collapsible pan connectors.
Ranges available: collapsible, 18 mm offset, 40 mm offset and straight. Installation method: WC pan connectors are designed to fit onto the outlet pipe of the toilet and into the rigid pipe work. This ensures water and airtight joints.